Let's look at some common bases you might already know. First is sodium hydroxide, which is NaOH. This powerful base is used in cleaning products, soap making, and even in the chemical industries to make things like paper and textiles. Another example is ammonia. Ammonia is a gas that dissolves in water to form a basic solution. You may find it in household cleaners. Another example is calcium hydroxide, also known as slaked lime. This base is used in the treatment of water and in making mortar for construction. Then our next example is magnesium hydroxide. This is the active ingredient in many antacid, helping to neutralize stomach acid. Now let's talk about how we measure whether a solution is acidic or basic using the pH scale. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. The pH 7 is neutral, like pure water. pH greater than 7 is basic or alkaline, while pH less than 7 is acidic. Most bases have a pH greater than 7, with stronger bases having a pH closer to 14. For example, sodium hydroxide has a pH of about 13, making it a very strong base. Time for a quick quiz. I'll ask you a few questions and I want you to answer them in the comment section below. What do you think happens when a base reacts with an acid? First, they form water and salt. Second, they form a gas. Third, they form a new base. And fourth option, they make the solution more acidic. Type your answer below. When an acid reacts with a base, they neutralize each other and form water and salt. You can demonstrate this by adding hydrochloric acid to sodium hydroxide. The acid and base have reacted to form water and sodium chloride, which is common table salt. Now, I want you to try this at home with some safe materials. If you have vinegar and baking soda, you can do a simple neutralization reaction. Try it out to share your results in the comments below. Let's recap everything we have learned today about bases. First, I said bases are substances that accept protons or release hydroxide ion. Then I went ahead to mention the properties of base, and I said they are bitter, slippery, and turn red litmus paper blue. And I also mentioned that bases have pH greater than 7 and they can neutralize acid to form water and salt. I hope this video helped you understand bases a little better. Remember, they are an important part of chemistry and our everyday lives, from cleaning products to medicine. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment your answers in the comment section. See you next time. Bye.